everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm back again with Mzansi Soapie series, and today talking about Skeem Saam. Guys, is this the end of Principal Thobagale at Teflop High? A petition blazes through Tef High for Principal Thobagale to step down, and guess who has already signed it? There is plenty of muttering and grumbling against Principal Thobagale in Tef High staff room. Some of it to sour grapes, some of it down to sour grapes, but a lot of it is due to her 24/7 unapproving eye and habit of crushing anyone's with ideas. Thobagale might not be aware of it, but her actions have brought her career to the brink of collapse. Petitions start doing the rounds, calling for her to be removed from power, and spearheading the push is teacher Alfred, and he is not the only one. His motive for leading the petition against Principal Thobagale is to take a place in a simple power grab. The two don't get along. Thobagale has always wanted Alfred to leave and vice versa. This isn't the first time that Alfred is scheming to get rid of Principal for his own selfish ends. Slightly Guaido, as a former pupil and now leading literacy project, Guaido has always felt as if Principal Thobagale has had a personal vendetta against him. So when he is presented with the opportunity to join the petition and get rid of Principal Thobagale, he grabs it with both hands and set out to give his story. Sidelined teacher Carol has always felt overlooked, and this is a perfect opportunity to get revenge on her boss for assigning a project that she has supposed to spearhead to someone else. This is her way of showing Principal Thobagale that she should haven't have ignored Carol on her talent or her talent. Bullied Evelyn. We've seen Thobagale guys bully and belittle teacher Evelyn for years, despite her intelligence and helpful suggestion, to the point where it's affecting Evelyn's mental health. And now the wheel is turning. Evelyn views the petition as her escape route and leaps on board to get Principal Thobagale fired. Will this be the end of Principal Thobagale? Well, it's going to depend on how well those four defend their case, because if they come across as jealous, incompetent winners, sympathies will be on Principal Thobagale's side. They have a point, but it's going to take a lot more than just wishes to get rid of the mean-head mistress. Do you think Principal Thobagale is good enough for leading the school, or it's good for her to step down? Will Minir Mahonga be able to lead the school? That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.